Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily check and download previous year question papers of Uttarakhand Open University. First open your browser and search Uttarakhand Open University. On the first page you will find all question papers. Click on it. In this page you will see the list of question papers from previous year. Select the year you want. I am clicking on exam papers December 2024. In this page you will find subject code and course code. Suppose you want to check the question paper for MBA. The subject code for MBA is MS. If I click on MS 101 PDF, you will get the question paper of MS 101 MBA, which is of Principle of Management and Organizational Behavior first semester. From here you can download your question paper and start revising effectively.